In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column on your Jira board. Whether you're reorganizing your workflow or simply trying to customize your board for better project management, understanding how to add and arrange columns is essential. Let's dive in and get your Jira board set up just the way you need it. To begin, navigate to your Jira board. This is your central hub for managing tasks and tracking progress, so make sure you have the correct board open that you want to modify. Being on the right board ensures that changes are made precisely where they're needed, allowing for a seamless workflow. Once you're looking at your board, shift your focus to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll spot a More icon that looks like three vertical dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From these selections, choose Configure Board. Selecting this option will take you to the configuration settings for your board, a powerful area where you can make numerous adjustments to tailor the board to your needs. In the configuration settings, look towards the left-hand sidebar. This area lists several sections you can dive into. You need to look for and click on Columns and Statuses. This particular section is what provides you with the tools to manage the structure of your board's columns and their respective statuses. Once you have the Columns and Statuses section open, you'll see a list of your existing columns displayed on the main part of your screen. To add a new column, direct your eyes to the header of this section. You'll spot a plus icon located to the right of the existing columns. This icon is your gateway to adding a new column. Clicking on this icon prompts a small dialog box to appear. In this dialog box, there's a field where you'll enter a name for your new column. When choosing a name, make sure it clearly identifies the purpose or status of tasks that will fall under this column. A clear and descriptive name helps keep your workflow intuitive and organized. Once you've typed in a name for the new column, press the check button to save it. After saving, you'll see your newly added column appear among the existing ones. Sometimes the new column might not be in the ideal spot for your workflow. If this happens, don't worry. Rearranging it is straightforward. Hover your cursor over the top section of any column until a change occurs indicating it's draggable. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag and drop the column to its desired location. Positioning your columns logically can significantly enhance team understanding and streamline task management. And there you have it, a fully customized board complete with the columns that suit your project needs. This setup empowers you to better visualize and manage your project progression. Make sure to regularly review and adjust your boards as projects evolve to maintain efficiency.